Unleash the full creative potential of OpenAI's Sora directly from your PC. Today, we're diving deep into how you can harness the power of Sora for incredible video generation, right from your own desktop. Since a direct local installation of Sora isn't yet available to the public, our primary approach will be through cloud-based solutions and exploring potential interfaces that can bridge the gap. First, consider accessing Sora through web platforms or third-party applications that integrate with OpenAI's API. Think of these as your virtual gateways. Step 1 is to identify a credible service. Look for platforms that clearly state their integration with Sora. Popular AI video tools are often the first to adopt such cutting-edge models. Once you've found a suitable platform, navigate to it. You'll typically encounter an intuitive interface. Step 2 is crafting your prompt. Be as detailed as possible. Describe your scene, characters, actions, camera angles, and even the mood you want to convey. The more specific, the better the AI can understand your vision. Step 3 involves customizing settings. These platforms often offer options to adjust video length, resolution, style, and other parameters. Explore these to fine-tune your output. Step 4 is generation. Hit the generate button and let the AI work its magic. This could take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of your prompt and server load. And finally, step 5 is reviewing and downloading. Once your video is ready, preview it if you're happy. Download it directly to your PC for further editing or immediate sharing. By following these steps, you can effectively use Sora on your PC, transforming your creative ideas into stunning visual content without needing to be an expert coder or having high-end hardware installed locally. Start exploring those creative possibilities today.